Okay, guys, so when you go to our Blackboard shell, make sure that you go through setting up your MyLabMath. It walks you step by step. You can do it interactively. You can watch a video, or you can print the PDF file, or just go straight to the list. All of these are options for you to be able to set up your MyLabMath. So once you have that set up, there is a tab called MyLabMath. Now, this is where we will have all of our assignments housed in. Assignments, quizzes, tests, discussion posts, and your grade book. So we actually go out of Blackboard to our MyLabMath, and this is where, again, everything that is outlined on your syllabus for your due dates underneath assignments is here. Please take a moment to go through everything in your MyLabMath. There's a lot of tools available for you guys. If you go to assignments, all of your assignments are in blue, your quizzes are in orange, and your tests are in green. All of your due dates are assigned on the left side, but please make sure you stick to your due dates through your syllabus. Discussion posts are listed here underneath discussion posts. If you notice, I've already uploaded all of the discussion posts that you will have for the entire semester. Take a look at discussion post number 4. You actually get 2 weeks to work on this post, so make sure that you are planning accordingly. You're more than welcome to come in here and look at all of them. Your very first discussion post is your welcome post, so make sure you guys are getting started here. There are certain guidelines and a rubric for your discussion post. Make sure you look at that on your syllabus. Your gradebook is where you would go to find your grade for the class. Document sharing. This is where I can share documents with you guys. I will upload your formula sheet and a copy of your syllabus. Another way for you guys to have it. Multimedia library, though, is where you want to go for your resources. This is how you get the content of the homework and quizzes and tests for the class. You have a lot of options here. You have the option of multimedia textbook, videos, and PowerPoints. Obviously, a whole lot of other options. You can go through chapters and sections. Chapter contents is another great e-text ability. We start in chapter 7. So if you go through chapter 7, you can go through the sections and read the book, watch a video, and do a workbook, which is pretty much like guided notes. So this is really, really good for you guys to get all of your concepts that you need. Please take a moment to go through all of this so you can see everything that is available for you. Underneath course tools, there's an option for you to email, and you guys can actually email each other. You guys have not been set up just yet. That's why you guys don't see yourselves listed, but you will be able to email other classmates if you need to email them for whatever reason, and or if you want to try to start a study group, this is the way to do it. But again, take a moment to go through and get to know your MyLabMath. If you go back to our Blackboard, there is a link called In-Class Notebook. If you click on there, it will take you to our OneNote. Now, all of you guys have access to OneNote. This is my notebook for the class that I share with you guys. You guys are only allowed to view it. You don't get to erase right on the notebook or anything like that. But please take a look at this notebook that I put together to help you guys be successful. Here's another resource. So if you look on the left-hand side, you will have different sections, and then we have pages. So this is kind of like an interactive online version of your 5-subject notebooks that, you know, we're so used to having. In the first one, it says formula sheet and calculator. So when I click on it, not only do you have a formula sheet right there accessible to you, but you also have the option of double clicking it and getting your own copy if you would like to have it. Right underneath, I linked a Desmos online scientific calculator until you guys are able to get your own, and or if you would like to take advantage of our checkup program. In soft skills, if you go through soft skills, I think they're very useful. Please be sure to go through them. There's a lot of them to help you guys be successful, not just in our class, but in any other class. Learning strategies and skills, how to study for a test anxiety, not only to determine whether you have test anxiety, but also to learn how to address it and conquer your test anxiety. And I even added a checklist for you guys of things that you can do before a test, during a test, and after a test. I have uploaded additional guided notes for you guys if you would like something more than what MyLabMath offers. At the very top, you're able to download and print PDFs or PowerPoints, but these are already filled out with information that I've used in my face-to-face classes. I have also added, for example, in section 7.5 and 7.6, additional resources. If you would like a little bit more of an interaction, again, you guys are able to interact with this. And then hopefully we'll give you a different perspective, especially for my visual learners. And you guys don't have to worry about moving anything around. That's what that's there for. Now, I've only uploaded chapter 7 and chapter 9. I will add and upload more chapters as the semester proceeds for the class. And this is how you use your OneNote.